You love helping your customers, but it's hard to keep up with their increasing service expectations when your workforce and resources are stretched thin. Five9 can help you create personalized and fluid customer experiences, from improving patient care to transforming financial services. Move customers effortlessly across channels and between virtual and live agents without requiring callers to repeat themselves. Customers usually begin with a digital self-service experience that may include chatting with a virtual agent. If needed, the virtual agent can cleanly transfer the customer to a live expert to complete the transaction. To further streamline communications, use Five9 to send proactive notifications to your customer's preferred device. And when demand peaks, whether you are expecting it or not, your digital agents are there to deliver intuitive, human-like experiences that produce real results when your customers need you the most. Experiences become even more fluid when you make them multimodal, augmenting voice interactions with visual content to provide a better level of service.
Can I check the status of my claim?
I can help with that. Please speak your passphrase.
My voice is my passphrase.
I see that your claim was successfully submitted. If you want, I can help you schedule an inspection.
By scaling dynamically with live and virtual agents, Five9 helps you maximize your resources and deliver the best possible service to your customers.